Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're taking a quick look at what you can do with a D-52 license. Now this is the definition for the D-52 window coverings contractor, and this is straight from the CSLB. I'm not going to go through this word for word, but I have it linked below. I strongly suggest that you check it out. Now the D-52 falls under the C61 limited specialty classification umbrella, and again I've got this definition linked below. Definitely check it out, but we are going to take a quick look at two pertinent points. An applicant classified and licensed in the classification limited specialty shall confine activities as a contractor to that field or fields and scope of operations set forth in the application and accepted by the registrar, or to that permitted by Section 831. A specialty contractor other than a C61 contractor may perform work within the field and scope of operations of classification C61, provided the work is consistent with established usage and procedure in the construction industry and is related to the specialty contractor's classification. So you always want to make sure that the work that you're doing falls under the correct classification so that you're in compliance with the CSLB. Now, the vast majority of the contractors that hold the D-52 license are doing window coverings work. So window screen installation and replacement, shutters, shades, blinds, roller shades, vertical blinds. This could also include window control configurations, draperies, and different types of patio screens. It's common for this license to be held by interior decorating services, vinyl and polyester logo installation in some cases, and just your general window blinds. So it could be automatic window blinds or just regular curtains and things like draperies and things like that. Next, you have window tinting. So a big service offered by contractors that hold this license is window tinting. So this could also, generally it's automotive window tinting, but it can also be residential and commercial tint installation and removal, paint protection and correction, for fleet services, graphic window film installation, mobile services, and things like that. Now, in the state of California, contractors can hold multiple license classifications. The most common classifications that are held in addition to the D-52 license are the C17 glazing, the C15 flooring, and the GB general building. Now, you have to have the experience in that particular field to get an additional license, but we've got a ton of information about holding multiple contractor licenses on our website. Now, in order to get the D-52 license, you've got to pass the California Law and Business exam. This is an exam covering everything from taxes and financial reporting to cash management, business structures, contracts, workers' compensation, taxes, insurance, a lot of different things. We cover it all in our course that you can find below. Now, the exam's going to be about 115 questions, multiple choice, closed book. You'll get 3 hours to complete it, and it'll be taken via computer at a proctored testing facility based on your zip code. Now, in addition to that, you want to make sure that you're familiar with different math concepts, arithmetic, units of measurement, calculating square footages, and potentially percentages and decimals. Now, everything you need to know we cover in our course with tons of clear information, easy to understand with examples, diagrams, essentially a full summary of everything you need to know. And this would include physical study guides. You get online videos with audio reviews, online practice exams, a complete math course to make sure that your math is up to speed, a full application and review, and then throughout the entire process, we're here to help you to make sure that all your questions are answered and that everything is moving along smoothly so that you get your license. Now, we've got another video that goes into the requirements. We've also got links to the fees and then the application below the video. I strongly suggest that you check that out. I hope you found this information helpful. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.